Good afternoon, Professor Agnes Ricanya, and to our esteemed panelists. Our capstone project entitled Land-Based Faculty Scheduling System for PUP Calauan Campus. So first, let me introduce our team. Ms. Laika G. Cariaga for documentation, Mr. Eugene Q. Quiroga, the developer, and I, Mr. Jeremy Bayani, the one who researched about our system. Full of contents. So ito po yung mga i-discuss po namin. So the chapter 1, the problem and its background. Chapter 2, the review of related literature. And chapter 3, the methodology. Chapter 1, the problem and its background. Background of the study. So meron na po talagang system na ginagamit si PUP Calauan, which is the SIS, or the Student Information System, na kung saan inaalaw po ng system si user na makapag input po ng mga schedules and loads ng faculties or ng instructors ng kanilang mga staffs and admin na approve naman po ng director ng campus. And then si PUP admin used, so gumagamit sila ng Excel spreadsheets na kung saan they notice na nagkakaroon ng overlapping dun sa mga plans. And then si admin ay they notice na they find out na talagang mahirap din gumawa ng mga timetables para sa kanilang mga staffs and para sa kanilang mga students. And then sabi dito, majority or karamihan ng mga instructors sa PUP is part-time employees, which means hindi lang sa PUP sila nagtatrabaho, kundi may regular talaga silang trabaho. And then ito yung mga factors pagdating sa scheduling ng PUP Calauan. So nandyan yung student availability, classroom and lab space, needed lecture hours for each course, and the instructors on availability, and then scenarios that an Excel spreadsheet cannot manage. So nagkakaroon ng scenario or pagkakataon na hindi na ma-manage ng Excel spreadsheet ng maayos yung scheduling ng PUP Calauan. Statement of the problem. So what system components are required to generate curriculum requirements for each course? How will the administrator determine whether the teachers are certified to teach a certain subject? Given the availability of the instructors, laboratories, and classrooms, how will the administrator assign the class schedule instructional loads for the faculty members? How will the administrator make sure that the faculty's schedules don't conflict with one another? How does the administrator calculate the teacher's instructional workloads for billing purposes? And how the faculty members be made aware of their instructional responsibilities? Objectives of the study. So, ginawa po namin itong system na ito para po mas ma-manage po ng maayos yung mga faculty teaching loads and schedules ng mga instructors sa PUP Calauan. And at the same time is mas mabilis po silang makakakuha or makakapag-generate ng mga data or ng mga reports for billing purposes. Significance of the study. So this study is beneficial to the following. For the PUP Calauan campus, so mas mapapabilis po ang trabaho ng kanilang mga staff and ng admin by giving faculty loads and schedules to their instructors. And mas mapapabilis din po yung paggawa ng mga timetables ng kanilang mga staff and ng kanilang mga estudyante. For the faculty members, mas ma-manage nila ng maayos ang kanilang mga time. So may iwasan din yung pagkakaroon ng conflict sa time ng kanilang mga loads and schedules. And mas mapapabilis din po sila makakakuha ng mga reports or data for billing purposes. For the administrator, mas mabilis nilang mabibigyan ng mga faculty loads and schedules ang mga instructor ng PUP Calauan. And then for the developers, so mas mapapamotivate pa po silang gumawa ng iba pa pong mga systems na maaaring magamit sa future in our society. For the future researchers and developers, so mas ma-encourage pa po silang mag-aral na mag-aral on how creating a system to become a system developer someday, na kung saan ay maaari din po sila makagawa ng systems na maaaring magamit sa kanilang generation. Conceptual framework. So ito po yung pattern na ginamit namin or guidelines upang mabuo po yung aming system. So nandyan po yung input, process, output. So for the input, knowledge requirements, PUP Kalawan campus background, scheduling system procedures, programming, database management system, internet and world wide web, and the security. For the software requirements, so ito po yung mga applications po na ginamit namin para mabuo po itong system na ginawa po namin. So nandyan po yung internet browser, Microsoft Windows, some control panel, Laravel, and MySQL. So for the hardware requirements, ito po yung specifications po ng hardware po na ginamit po namin. So having a 8GB RAM, a processor of AMD Pro 8770R7. For the process, system design. So nandyan po yung under the system design, our database design, and then user interface design. So ano ba yung maaaring makita ni user doon sa loob ng system na ginawa namin? System development. So under the system development is the program coding. So nag-aral kami ng programming, ng coding para magawa po namin itong system na ito. Testing and development, program testing. So very important ito sa paggawa ng system kasi kung nagkaroon ng problema or may error, maayos agad. And then feedback and suggestions from the client. So importante din ito para kung halimbawa kung may gustong ipabago si client, may gustong ipadagdag or may suggestion si client para mas mapaganda yung system nila, may apply din sa system na ginagawa namin. And then the output, land-based faculty scheduling system of PUP Kalawan Campus. Next is the scope and implementation of the study that we will discuss by Ms. Daka G. Cariaga. Thank you.
Review of related literature. Review of literature. Manual scheduling methods versus computerized scheduling methods. According to Davidson, computerized scheduling are techniques for managing appointments for the large number of individuals. In this matter, land-based faculty scheduling system of PUP Kalawan would be beneficial for the university as it managed the schedule more easily unlike manual techniques such as Excel spreadsheets, and it can assign schedule for a large scale of individual. Aside from that, computerized scheduling systems have warnings for overlapping schedule. The advantage and disadvantages of block scheduling as perceived by college students. The outcome revealed that the block scheduling benefited students' overall learning and teacher practice in a variety of ways due to the undisturbed teaching time, according to Akso and Kaya. In PUP Kalawan campus, students and faculty members know to have an inconsistent schedule given the fact that the faculty members are part-time instructors and most of the students are working students. So, an organized timetable would be beneficial for both students and faculty members' performance. The pros and cons of block scheduling system. According to Kelly, In block scheduling, a teacher sees fewer students during the day, thereby giving him or her the ability to spend more time with each one because of the increased span of teaching times. Longer cooperative learning activities can be completed in one class period. Since the faculty members in PUP Kalawan are mostly part-timers, faculty members would know how to maximize their time for every class as they would know the respective teaching loads generated by the system. Instructors in PUP Kalawan campus will have enough time to think and plan activities and interactive recitations to maximize their lecture time. Design and implementation of a course scheduling system using TabuSearch. European Institute of Operational Research claimed that building a course timetable is a difficult and lengthy task which universities devote a large amount of human and material resources for every year. We have developed they have developed a computer package to solve that problem. The problem that the developers see in this study is the difficulty of setting schedules among faculty members of the school as it overlaps and conflict to one another. Factors leading to the problem in developing the faculty scheduling system of PUP Kalawan campus are the large number of students, teachers, courses, and room that is linked by any condition to produce a schedule. Staff scheduling and rostering, a review of application methods and models. The administrators in PUP Kalawan base their decisions on their staff conditions. The admin will see if the schedule they assign will somehow be beneficial to the staff, if it will satisfy the demand of staff, or if it will meet the satisfying complying of requirements. That's why the land-based faculty scheduling system does not assign only the teaching loads of every instructor, but it also sets them breaks and time for their personal activities. Assigning and listing the duties of the faculty in the system will give them the sense of responsibility to do their work and plan their duties ahead of time. So after compiling the various sets of literature and related studies, it is clearly seen that the main problem to be solved by having a scheduling system is the large amount of students, teachers, and rooms that is needed to link together in order to manage their schedules. The challenge in creating a university schedule is to give each class in a plan schedules an appropriate space, a starting time, and a completion time. Project design. To achieve the objectives of the study in developing the land-based faculty scheduling system of PUP Kalawan, the following procedures were used during the system's design phase. So as you can see, this is the context diagram of the system. So we have the land-based faculty scheduling system, which is our system, and the admin, which is the user of the system we develop. So in order to generate reports given by the system, the admin is needed to provide informations, and these informations are curriculum information, course information, username and password to log in, faculty information, subject information. So in order to assign schedules or to create class course loading and faculty loading, the admin needs to provide faculty schedule or to assign schedule to the faculty and course schedule or to assign schedule per class.